everyone, welcome back to our channel Logging 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to enable dark mode on Microsoft OneNote. So if you also want to enable dark mode on Microsoft OneNote, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Microsoft OneNote application. In this application, you'll be able to take the notes. You can see over here right now light mode is enabled. For some reason, if you want to enable the dark mode, it is very simple. At top left corner, you'll be able to see your profile icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to see your account. Also, you'll be able to find the options for settings, help and support, send feedback to Microsoft. Simply tap on the settings option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find several settings options over here. You'll be able to find the settings options for notebooks. Also, you'll be able to find the settings options for sticky notes. You'll also be able to access the general settings over here. Under general settings, at last you'll be able to find the option for theme. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. You can see three options over here: light, dark and system default. Right now light mode is selected. If you want to enable the dark mode, simply tap on the option dark that you can see at second. Now you can see over here you'll have to restart the app for the changes to take effect. Simply tap on the yes option that you can see right over here. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here dark mode has been enabled. So that is how you enable dark mode on Microsoft OneNote. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.